Ladies and gentlemen, a man was murdered today. And that man was none other than myself. And who could have murdered me, you may ask? My best friend. And this man has the audacity to claim innocence. Now, with the way the justice system has been going in the world today, I've decided to single-handedly bring back justice into this world, starting with my own murderer. But wait. How could I possibly be dead? I mean, I'm sitting here talking to you guys right now. There's no way that someone could have killed me, right? Well, I mean, sure, you're right. My physical body is not dead. But, actually, you know what? I'll just show you. It'll be easier.
Magic Woods Insta would like start putting stuff on it soon. So I sent this picture as an example of something that would be pretty good.
Oh, stop,
And
I'm
then
gonna
I
die. I can't get in the water. I can't get in the water.
Dude, just take off the Frostwalker.
That takes too long.
Another with a different angle, still using regular vibrant visuals, and then the
One heart. Please no.
Wait, you can't die.
Yes, I can.
You have a totem.
No, I don't.
and then the next two I'll post together were with
Bro,
luminous
where did your
streams
totem go?
Why'd you
plus
kill me?
vibrant visuals.
You had a totem! How did you die?
I told you I didn't have a totem.
Oh my word, okay.
I'm sorry, Sora. This man came in and decided to murder me.
I thought he had a totem. I saw a totem. That's my defense. I rest my case.
So you see, ladies and gentlemen, I was, in fact, murdered. In cold blood, no less. Now, my friend's defense, claiming I had a totem. Now, did I have a totem on my persons at the time? It's debatable. But nonetheless, I did die at his hand, which is, textbook first-degree murder. Now all I needed to do was find myself a judge to rule over the case and a courtroom to host the case in. And then he will surely be brought to justice and thrown right into the slammer.
Do we need to take this to the court?
I think we do. I think we do.
Sure.
Charge him his
Why
armor.
not?
His
Why
armor's
not?
on the table.
Finally give it some use. I can't pick up your stuff because my mouse died. I can't change my angle.
I'm here. I'm back. First-degree murder. Petty theft.
Petty theft? What do you mean
grave
petty
robbing?
theft? I will
don't
see
know.
you in court.
Petty theft because you're petty and you're a thief.
I am petty, but not a thief.
Well, you stole my sword
I
and are refusing to give it
borrowed
back.
it. Okay, I unintentionally borrowed it.
You know what? You have to prove that you had intent to return the sword.
I am trying to give you your sword back. I have my mouse plugged in so that I can return your sword to you. Do you need a
Alright.
photo evidence of that?
No. I'll only charge you with first-degree murder then. Did
Sir,
pick
you
up
have
my
been
emeralds?
served. You are expected in the courthouse.
You took my book.
I don't have any books in my inventory.
No?
What book was it?
It was just a regular plain book.
Didn't you use that to craft an enchanting table?
Oh no, it's there. Never mind. No, I grabbed another one because I was going to trade for the mending.
Your Honor, does this man have anything credible to say? How can we trust that I even killed him with intent and malice in the first place if not a word out of his lips is trustworthy?
What?
You heard me.
I'm
He
there
doesn't even
via...
know what kind of books are in his inventory. He can't even keep track of his own life. I intend to be a hostile witness.
Does the defense have a response?
Your Honor, I am legally blind. I am not permitted to drive. I am not.
Objection! Objection, Your Honor. The prosecution is currently speaking for the defense, which is against the wishes of the defense and against the rules of the courtroom.
Wait, he
As
was
the
just calling. Wait, hold on. I'm not even in court yet. I can't talk.
Dude, you're not even on the defense. You
I
got
know.
killed, so you would be prosecuting me for murder. I would be defending my charge.
Yeah, so why was Sora calling upon the defense for a response to your
I don't
statement?
know, and then you answer, which is even worse.
Hold on. Let me get my chest plate enchanted, and then I'll be over there.
In our attire,
Oh, I have
in
no
our
emerald.
fancy suits.
I have no levels. He did steal from me. I do want to charge him with theft. He thieved my levels.
I cannot control where the levels go. It is written in the game code that they go to the nearest living player. I could be a passerby.
True that.
This is so bad.
Okay, now I
The
have to
cases are real. The players are real. The rulings are
Are
final.
we? Are we?
I was just doing like from like Judge Judy.
I'm not even in the courtroom yet. I'm not real.
Oh man, dude, you were not brutally murdered at the XP farm.
No,
Nor were you brutally murdered.
I was brutally murdered.
It was not brutal.
I
And
pleaded.
it was not murder.
I pleaded my life with you, and you proceeded to kill me.
Allegedly.
One heart. Please no.
Wait, Sora's the judge?
Well, there's only 3 of us here. We got the prosecution. We got the defendant. We just needed the judge.
I would like to move for an unbiased judge who has no part in the situation and therefore is not attached to either side. Oh no! I only have 15 minutes to prepare my case. Oh. No.
Are there rules in here?
Spotify.
Oh, okay. I'm here. So we got 15 minutes. Oh god.
To prepare to set up.
It's just like, wait, what?
Wait, there's a court case going on today for who?
Yes, I need a booking quill. I need a booking. Do you want to come in and be our the person who like writes down what happens?
Yeah, do you want to be our transcribe or our scribe? I mean.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Watch bailiff.
I need
Hold on.
feathers.
Can I-
Does anyone have
Can I
feathers?
move? Can I propose a
think
different
I might
judge?
have
Can I invite this other judge?
I don't know if they're going to be. I don't know if they're going to be unbiased. Who is it?
Wait,
You'll see.
who are we suing?
If anything, he's biased against me. So
Oh, wait, we have no jury. Is this a? This must be a closed case then.
case closed. I'm innocent.
Not quite how that works.
You will be silent, or you will be held in contempt of court.
Oh, 58.
Please, my lawyer.
Exactly.
Please, my lawyer. Let me lawyer up, please. Please.
I'm
If
sorry,
you're
but
inviting who I think
the
you
ca-
are,
when the
he's
cl-
never gonna
case-
answer.
When the court case begins, the doors to the chamber will close.
we live in a monarchy. You do not have the same rights as you have in the real world. You do not have the right to a lawyer.
You should have done this like an hour ago, man.
This murder happened. This is fresh. This is like
very
20
recent, yeah,
minutes
fresh.
ago.
Wait, what? What did I miss, bro?
Hello, lawyer.
Is your lawyer like your own hand? Like you have your hand posed up and you're talking to him?
Oh my gosh. I should just imagine Bobbit with his hand next to him with a sock on it and googly eyes.
Oh my gosh.
Mr. Hand, how are you?
Mr. Hand, did I commit this murder?
No.
No, you did not commit this murder. Your Honor, that's all the evidence we need.
My lawyer
The
has
law
joined
does
the
not
server,
wait
but
for
they have
anyone.
to be a member of the server for at least 10 minutes to join voice chat.
My computer.
Wait,
won't
who just
load.
Very well.
Who just joined?
Okay.
Welcome.
Very well.
Okay. We have a
Oh
delay.
no,
Perfect.
this is biased. This is a biased judge. This is a
Well,
biased.
do you have a lawyer
Actually-
or attorney ready?
This is his lawyer, so it's okay. No, Your Honor.
Wait, who
I
is
am
it?
choosing to defend myself. I have pled my right to a public defender. Actually, I am the the prosecutor. I'm prosecuting him. Your Honor, I am currently being harassed by a man.
Please move back. I will deal with this.
Oh man.
Your sentence has been carried out.
I think. Psst, psst. I think we might have to tread a little lightly here.
Good afternoon, everyone.
And our
Wait, what time is it
transcript
for you
has
fuckers?
died.
It is 10:06 p.m.
Oh, lovely.
This case was
Okay.
supposed to begin at 10 p.m. But
I'm so sorry. I was just informed of this issue as I got back from the beach.
I vote
Yeah.
just because of that. We vote Bobbit innocent. I'm
This-
not being. I'm not being paid to say this, by the way. I'm totally not. I'm not having my job threatened at the bit.
What? Like, whose laws are we using? What country? And what state?
as you wish, as the court decides, it is.
Okay,
is-
well, that's
this
the
is-
judge's
It
job
is
here.
judge's discretion.
Thank you. I am the judge.
So we have a judge, a lawyer, defendant, and...
Well, the prosecution wants to represent themselves.
Yeah, prosecution
Okay.
is representing themselves.
Okay. So, is Eris, like, witness, or are you, like...
Eris is a transcript.
No,
Oh, what-
audience/scribe.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
I'm-
Okay. Australia?
Oh, the defense. Australia?
So,
Then, we'll-
yeah.
I don't know
then
nothing about
I
Australia
suppose
law.
we shall use Australian law.
Well, we're
Wait,
with the defense
Wait,
Yeah.
does anyone here know Australian laws besides Bobbit? Because yeah,
No. Sora, do you
Well
know
then.
Australian law?
I barely know
I-
enough Australian law, just like
right after Sora was racist to Australians too.
So-
This
No.
is great.
It
So
was
we
not
have-
racist to Australia.
We have
I just merely
one...
pointed out that a lot of the creatures there do want to, can easily kill you.
We have one viable person who knows Australian law, and they are the defense's lawyer. I just want to point that out.
We can use a different one, like...
If it comes down to it, we could do trial by combat.
Oh, I would.
Oh, that would be
I
fun.
just this is a case of first-degree murder, and you're saying that we do trial by combat.
No, I'm saying that'll be like last resort.
No.
I think we should just do like
Well, because I'm using Commonwealth, but you guys are an independent country, so...
I don't know what Commonwealth is.
Good point. All right,
Chase, we've talked about this. What do you mean?
first up.
I
All
have an
rise,
awful
the
memory.
judge.
Mhm.
I'll just sit right here.
All
I'm
right. Prosecution and defense may be seated. Scribe may be seated.
Um,
And attorneys may be seated. We've come today to this courtroom to decide a case brought to us by Chase Grandycraft Boys against Bobbit 80 YT. For first case, murder and second degree theft.
Nope, the theft was dropped.
All right, Eris, please make note of that.
okay.
All right. Opening statements. Prosecution?
Today I bring forth a case of first-degree murder against myself, Grindcraft Boys. I was slain in broad moonlight by Mr. Bobbit80YT over here. Now, initially, there was... Oh, I believe we lost our scribe.
Oh, I'm still here writing in docs. We're good.
Okay. Now, while it was initial fun, typical banter, it did evolve very quickly, to a point to which I was pleading with my life. After I begun to plead with my life, it took an additional 3 sword hits for Mr. Bobbit80 to inevitably kill me. And in that time, he claims that he saw a totem in my hand. Yet, Your Honor, I would like to point out that this totem is still sitting in my hand. By the rules of Minecraft and how, I don't know, it works, this totem should have been popped had it been in my hand when he killed me. Therefore,
Okay.
I don't know where this bit goes, but I'll say it now. A payment for the life that was taken from me. I am simply requesting a very reasonable 1 life exchange from Mr. Bobbit. A life for a life, would you say?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, defense. Your statement. Your opening
My
statement.
client was unaware of the situation with Mr. Grindcraft Boy and is choosing to plead not guilty to manslaughter or first-degree murder, but is choosing rather to plead for criminal negligence and would like a lesser sentence, as he believed there was, in fact, a totem in the prosecution's hand. Does my client have anything they want to say?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Let it be noted.
Okay.
Prosecution. Do you have a first witness?
Your Honor, I would like to bring forth that there were no present witnesses, albeit other than yourself, in a voice call with the other 2 of us. So, unfortunately,
Mr. Grindycraft, boys. Do I take this to mean that this is a isolated one-on-one with only one person available for each side of this case as witness for what happened?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, let that be noted. And how many totems in the past have you had or had on you at the time of the incident, Mr. Grindcraft?
Prior to this incident, Your Honor, I have, previous to my name, owned, I would like to say, about 5 or 6 totems, all of which were popped due to natural circumstances, e.g. a creeper, zombie, etc. And upon finishing a trial chamber, Mr. Bobbit very kindly gave me 2 of his own totems, of which I accepted and placed into my ender chest. At which point, the murder took place, after of which I picked up a totem out of my ender chest, which was right next to the bed in which I respawned from.
Do you have both totems with you, Mr. Grindcraft?
I do not.
To prove your point?
I have the 1 totem currently with me, and the other one is in my ender chest. However, I could retrieve it if one was presented to me.
There's an inner chest.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's see if you're telling the truth. Please straight aim your POV into the chat.
As you can see,
Please
Your Honor,
show us.
I open my ender chest, and I have my other totem of undying here, which, when placed in my hands, I have 1 in each, my offhand and my main hand.
Noted.
Very
noted.
well.
I shall
Very
show
well.
this here to the defense as well. And now, Your Honor, may I place 1 of my totems back into my ender chest?
Granted. You may return to your seat. Defense. Same questions as
Defense would like
before.
to add, the defense would like to add to the conversation, I suppose, that how are we to believe that Mr. Gravencraft Boy was not in possession of more than 2 totems at the time? And also, how are we to where is the proof that he was not currently in possession of said totems, and he has no witnesses of this event aside from the judge themselves, who was in fact not physically present.
That is a good point. However, as I'm sure Mr. Grannycraft would point out as argument, the same can be said for Mr. Bobbit. However, that being said, I do find your argument about the status of the totems to be a good question and point at that. I will now ask both
To would like to add that the lack of evidence on the prosecution's side makes it incredibly difficult to hold up the lawsuit in a court of law, and sees no reason why it should be brought to finishing, I suppose, and any kind of I am autistic. Hold up, guys.
Same as well. I understand
Yeah,
your struggle.
you know what I mean. Whatever. Yeah. Thanks.
You say you have evidence entered in.
I think I might. So on, I believe the 12th or 11th or something. The realm had to be set back because I think Chase died and lost all his stuff. And if he did die, his totem would have popped, but he did not have a totem. So I believe he did not have totems until now. That's what I have to say. That's all.
Well, I know that, speaking here as the judge and a personal witness of having to turn back the realm a few times, both Mr. Bobbit 80 and Grannycraft have died multiple times and lost all their stuff in nether-related accidents recently. And as of today, an incident where they were both pardon my laughing, assaulted and murdered multiple times by a horde of baby zombies, which then stole Mr. Bobbit 80's armor and sword. And began to, I believe the phrase would be, mutilate them both.
So yeah,
I believe that this just adds to the evidence of regular criminal negligence in both parties, and once again, this is not something that should be held in a court of law, considering their usual activities.
I feel quite inclined to agree. However, I must ask one final time for both of them. For both the prosecution and defense, do you have any last evidence to bring to the table, so to speak, at this time before we make a conclusion to this case and bring out our verdict?
Your Honor, I would like to point out that I have video evidence of the murder.
Oh no. I like how he brought this up.
Very well.
I do have video evidence of the murder. It is currently 2 hours.
Please present this evidence.
It is 2 hours and 30 minutes long, so it may take a second to upload and get a timestamp for. However, I can present it if you would like to issue a movement for a break, I can arrange the evidence.
Very well then.
Let's take a break
Okay.
and regroup.
Okay, let's get our thoughts together, guys. And yeah.
I
Alright.
suggest a 15-minute break.
Thank you, Your
I'll
Honor.
try and.
Your Honor.
Okay, off now.
Yes.
I come with very grave news. As
Oh.
it turns out, my video file has corrupted.
No.
It has
Oh,
corrupted
no.
at the worst time due to a lack of storage space on my C drive.
Oh.
That's what we call a
That-
massive error.
That's what we call. That is unfortunate.
Can we have proof of this claim?
How do you mean proof of this claim?
That it's
Well,
corrupted.
Well, said
That-
evidence would have been used.
That
But because it cannot be
plus for
presented,
me to present evidence, I'd have to record proof of it not working, and my storage is actively full. So to get more storage, I'd have to delete it to get space to record.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, if I was you, I would be crying by now.
I am. I'm very upset. I'm very upset. Actually.
all right.
I would like to point out that the murder did occur. It is in chat logs. If anyone is still existent within, has not logged out since it occurred. I
That would
have to
probably be
change
Bobbit.
my suit.
Bobbit, would you present the evidence with that? If you have not left at all, give it to send it to your lawyer to present to the judge.
Yeah. hold on.
Or share screen. That works too.
So we're all back from break. All right,
Sadly.
we're back in session officially.
Act like I was here the whole time. Oh my gosh, why is like every villager looking at Chase right now?
They are, except for this one, who isn't even supposed to be here.
That one
He-
very much
That's
likes you,
interesting.
Sora.
That one, I
Murder
think.
in the court.
Okay, you think the judge just committed a crime? I think I should be the new judge.
I am your
Agree.
I am your judge.
I completely agree with
executioner,
this.
Jury, executioner,
I'm-
warden, and if necessary, your executioner.
Guys, I'm sorry to say, but this is a monarchy, so the king does rule all.
This feels like a dictatorship, not a monarchy, but
He
okay.
is a dictator. He literally
is-
beats us when we go against his rule.
This
I
is
would like
true.
to
He
take
did
Garrus to-
summon down 500
Garrus?
wither skeletons on me.
I
Yeah.
would like to remind you.
Should we be
of where
suing
you
Sora for
stand.
human rights violations?
I don't think it's a good idea to sue the dictator, guys.
Americans. How many Americans there?
Yeah.
Oh, I've been summoned because
This
This
is why I hear.
I know. I can't believe I
Right.
got texted for this bullshit. Killed Chase in fucking Minecraft.
Well,
All right, welcome back, everyone. Why? You know what?
For the verdict.
It adds to the detail.
the
Exactly.
prosecution was unable to fully prove whether or not about the totems.
Oh, have you seen the flowers her day? Oh my God.
However, on the account of the
I'm not
murder
talking to you
taking
guys.
place, Bobbit 80 YT, also known as Bobbit Game 80 Gaming, in the charge of first-degree murder, you are found guilty.
Wait, that's my
It
boss.
does not matter whether or not
why
Mr. Granny Craft Boys had a totem or not. You did, in fact, kill him. In cold blood. As the witness statement points, it took, I believe, 3 to 4
3 hits.
swings of your sword
3 hits.
to kill Mr. Granny Craft Boys. So,
I love the extra
now comes punishment. Because the whole old decisions whether or not Mr. Craft Boys did or did not have a totem at the time was not proven or disproven at the time, we can not say whether or not it was fair or not. You still caused Mr. Grindycraft Boys grievous harm. I mean, for God's sakes, Bobbit. You didn't even kill the man with a single swing of your sword.
This
I
was
mean,
while I was under the belief that he had a totem.
it still took you multiple swings. And at that point, he would have been in grievous pain before you ended his life. Is this fact or fiction? I'd say it's fact.
So
It
what
doesn't
you're
matter
saying?
if one happens to have a damn totem of undying. You took multiple swings to kill the man. Mr. Bobbit A Gaming, if I had it my way right now, I might go with what Mr. Grindycraft said, a life for a life. Hell, I might even drop you down into a pit of wardens. However, we live in a society. Therefore, your sentence for the brutal murder of Mr. Grannycraft Boys is that you will face a similar death
Wait, what?
of no less than 3 to 4 swings of a sword. Or at least, that would not be the case if it weren't for the points brought up by your defense lawyer.
Oh no.
Therefore, your sentence is slightly reduced. Mr. Bobbit 80 Gaming,
Yes, Your Honor.
you will not face death by multiple hits of a sword, preferably one that would have been flaming. No. You will get a swift and painful or painless, depending on your point of view, death. One life for a life, but it will be over relatively quickly. Mr. Bobbit 80 Gaming.
Bro left.
He left.
Sorry, I'm joining.
No,
My
man,
PC just could not take any more of this.
Foot lover under Sora, man. There goes my idea.
I'm joining back. Don't worry. Sorry, slight technical difficulty. Let me be seated. Okay, continue, sorry.
Whoa, violence in
Your
the courtroom.
sentence is to
How?
be teleported from Y300 above world spawn.
Oh boy.
Although, I think in order for that to actually work, you'd have to be teleported 300 blocks above the world spawn, which would bring you to 374. May gravity have mercy on your soul, Mr. Bobbit 80 Gaming. Case dismissed.
I'm pretty sure he has feather falling.
Oh.
Don't think feather falling is going to save him from over 300 blocks.
Does he have like water bucket or is he just
wait,
dead?
I want to see this. I do believe he has elytra on him.
Oh my gosh, I saw him in his hand. He's fine.
Yeah.
Can we leave? I want to
Yes.
go create a shrine for a spooky in my base.
Oh yeah.
Would you like my
Guys, remind me to visit Eris.
Oh, look, Bobby.
Would you like my booking
Well,
quill?
gravity had mercy on me. Thank you guys. See you
Yeah,
next
Can we
week.
go
Because you had
forward?
an light. Because you had an elytra.
Do I look like I'm wearing an elytra right now?
I feel like he did have one, but it's fine. Oh well. You know, let's just give it to him.
I wonder if looting
Over.
works on a player. So how was that for the first case?
Very nice.
It was okay.
That
I
was
vote
like the
that
most
we should-
ridiculous sentencing ever, but that was pretty funny.
We didn't have an Elytra.
Can I have like more notice next time? Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
sorry. My bad.
I mean,
So maybe I should have gotten a lawyer, and maybe my case wasn't exactly airtight, but he gets away scot-free for my murder, nonetheless. I said that I would bring justice into this world, and if the courts don't want to help me do that, then I guess I'll just have to do it myself.
Someone blew up the. Oh, whoa! Hold up. What was that? Oh,
Nothing.
What do you want? What do you want?
Nothing. Just a little friendly banter.
Banter? Bro, just almost two-tapped me in once banter. Man, okay.
Where are you
okay.
going?
What do you mean? I'm gonna hit 9/11. I'm lining up the shot.
9/11 2.0.
Yeah, something like that, you know. You know how it is.
Oh crap, I forgot how much strength does. Fuck. Damn. Oh my god. Well, hey guys, thank you guys for watching. This video was actually kind of fun to make. I enjoyed quite a few bits of kind of like the making of it and the kind of like, you know, shooting a couple scenes and stuff. It was kind of fun. I enjoyed that. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, you know, all those things. And I will see you guys back for the next one. Peace out.